Before getting into fingerprinting, I wanted to mention that there's a blog post over at learncreategame.com/techart/fingerprinting content with Python, where you can go to copy all the code that you will see here today. So what is fingerprinting? Fingerprinting is the process of reading in a file's content into a byte stream and then generating a fixed length sequence out of that content. This fixed length sequence, man, say that 10 times fast, is also known as a hash or message digest, hash value, checksum, or fingerprint. This is so incredibly useful that you can capture a file state and just have this really, really lightweight string. And you can store this string somewhere, and the next time you need to see if a file has changed is to generate the fingerprint again for the file and compare it to the previous state, and only act upon it when things change. I hope this trick is going to save you lots of time for your batch processes, and until next time, cheers.